And then we've got Bitcoin. And, I think the shock of all shocks to those who do not believe in Bitcoin or think it's a Ponzi scheme or, are blockchain, not Bitcoin, in their focus. They're shocked that the Bitcoin has gone from 19,000 during the heat of the bank crisis in that second week of March to 29,000. It's a flight to safety. That's what this is. It's a flight to safety.
Cathie Wood, the CEO and investment manager of Ark Invest, chimed in on the powerful new technology and Bitcoin performance. Cathie Wood calls Bitcoin a flight to safety for during periods of macroeconomic uncertainty. She argued that the growing popularity of Bitcoin and Ether suggests a transformation in the traditional financial system, noting that you cannot stop innovation. Bitcoin and Ether acting as flight to safety amid global order disruption, says Cathie Wood. We are at 19 million units right now, so to see Bitcoin go from $19,000 to almost $29,000 in the span of a couple of weeks, that's proof positive that people believe it's a store of value that developers, coders, programmers who have built in this mathematical measure are not going to change it. Wood's enthusiasm for Bitcoin has made her a popular figure in the cryptocurrency community. She has projected that the digital currency could reach over $1,500,000 per unit by 2030. While some view this prediction as valid, others see it as overly ambitious. Furthermore, the Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC made significant ripples on the regulatory side, most recently serving a Wells notice to Coinbase, which sent shockwaves across the cryptocurrency industry, with experts expressing concerns over the regulator's approach to regulating the market. On the other hand, Cathie Wood still believes Bitcoin can hit $1 million by 2030. The report places Bitcoin at the center of the money revolution, saying that long-term its opportunity is strengthening. It said despite a turbulent year, Bitcoin has not skipped a beat. Its network fundamentals have strengthened and its holder base has become more long-term focused. Contagion caused by centralized counterparties has elevated Bitcoin's value propositions, decentralization, auditability, and transparency. Before proceeding further in this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button below for more recent updates.
And those who understand the value of Bitcoin as really the Bitcoin blockchain evolving a new global monetary system that is not hostage to any human decision makers, is decentralized, transparent, auditable. More and more people want that. And, this is proof of concept. Bitcoin came out of the ashes of 08, 09. Basically, it was designed decentralized, transparent, auditable as an antidote, a place, again, to go, a monetary system to which investors can flee. And that's exactly what's going on. This move from 19 to 29 was not a flash in the pan. We are still there. And if you look at our Bitcoin monthly, it just came out this week, a couple of days ago, you'll see that the signals, we measure the health of the Bitcoin blockchain in that piece. And you can see the health on a day-to-day basis, and it's very, very healthy.
Many investors ask why we are optimistic. In our view, the equity and fixed income markets are discounting lower interest rates, a plus for innovation. Never has the Fed raised rates in the middle of a crisis. Wood said on her latest episode of In the Know, "We have the tools to deal with the crisis and we need to fight inflation as right now a primary goal of monetary policy." Gold flirts with all-time highs as banking concerns deepen. Gold still hovering near record highs amid flight to safety. Safe haven asset classes have also benefited from investors being spooked by recession concerns and worries over the U.S. banking system. As all the asset classes are interlinked to each other, the banking crisis contagion is creating a ripple effect on the bond market, equity market, currency market, and commodity markets. Bond yields, dollar index, and equity market have started falling on this uncertainty, while gold has emerged as the best safe haven hedge during this banking turmoil. Gold emerging as a safe haven asset again. The Fed funds rate is likely to reach a peak, and we may see a pivot in the second half of this year.
And then there's another market indicator. It's away from fixed income and digital assets. It's commodity prices. All of the prices I usually cite are down from their peaks, and all but gold and silver are down on a year-over-year basis. And we're watching gold very carefully. It, like Bitcoin, and to some extent silver as well, are flights to safety if people don't trust the banking system. But we also have to be mindful that gold is a very good inflation gauge. It peaked in August of 2020, and it's still in the range that has been in place since then. But we're paying close attention. Is it rising? Is the price rising because of a flight to safety? We would suggest so. But there's always that risk that gold is picking up on fears also that the Fed, those who don't believe the Fed should ease, and we're not in that category, but there are many people out there and who worry that the Fed will pivot, might be hedging that possibility with gold.
Nonetheless, Cathie Wood's belief in Bitcoin's potential as a store of value, combined with its scarcity and growing demand, could see her ambitious prognostications come true in due course. Gold and Bitcoin are in the focus of traders amid the banking crisis in the U.S. During this current banking crisis, Bitcoin reclaimed $29,000 while gold printed a new all-time high. Bitcoin is becoming appealing again given how bad financials are getting hit. On this note, we conclude our video. Do you agree with Cathie Wood's perspective about Bitcoin and gold performance as flight to safety during financial crisis? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this information helpful, then like this video and subscribe to our channel. We will bring you more updates in the future.